Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about CRUD operations. In today's video we will see this thing practically. Okay, so let's start with inserting the records in database. So here's our database. Let's close these things. So we have student table and vehicle table with us. Okay, so here's the eclipse. Let's close this. Everything clear. Okay, first of all we have to create an entity class. Let's create employee class. Employee done. So we have employee class ready. Let's do some configurations. Just trying to create one entity, and just for simplicity I'm going to remove these columns so our code looks more simple. So instead of roll number it will be EMP number, and then name, then age. Okay, and let me remove these features. Let's auto generate them. Okay, so we have our certificates ready. So that's the employee table, and these are 4 fields. Okay, next let's create a tester file. So we already have this file ready, so I'll call this employee tester. Done. Here's the employee tester, and let's uncomment these lines which we have commented earlier. We don't need these things. Comment, remove these things as well. Okay, so these are kind of a skeleton which you needed. Every time you're trying to interact with it in Hibernate with Hibernate to database, you need these 6 lines. In between, you can fill your code. So just take it this like as a skeleton of your project. As of now, we are just writing a standalone application, so we don't have any other way to interact with database through Hibernate. So main method is here for that reason. Okay, so first of all, let's create employee object. Employee is here, done. And what I was thinking, not just one object, let's create 10 objects. So what I'm going to do, I will run a for loop. A simple for loop. It starts with 1, it goes till 10. And then I will create object of employee. So 10 object will be created. So it has to be inside for loop. That's done. Then employee dot set ID not required. We are auto generating it. But let's say age. So let's say 10 plus I. So whatever the value of I is, it creates this value. Then the 10 is quite small. Let's make it 20. 20 plus employees. Then employee dot set name. So I'll just say AMP name and plus I. Then employee dot next is what? Employee number. Okay, so let's call it um, EMP. I'm not going to write any logic for that, otherwise we will be, you know, lost our way. It's better just take the reason we are doing here, that is employee number, and it's actually integer. So let's just take 1, like 1 2 3 4 till 10 it goes. Actually we can do one thing, because we have this, so 10 plus or 100 plus, so 101, it starts from 101 goes till 11. And once this is done, we can call session dot save and pass that employee object. So this loop will run 10 times, initialize one object according to I, and then it saves that object. So it happens 10 times, then all that thing happens flush and session gets closed. Let's see what's the impact. So right click. Okay, one more thing is left, the configuration. So inside configuration file, let's configure one more class, employee. Okay, now we can run the code. So right click, run as application. Let's see what it says, the console. So yep, it creates a table, then it inserts 10 records. That's nice. Let's have a look at database, how it looks like. So right click, refresh all, there's employee table. Right click, select rows, and there we go. So age starts from 21, employee number starts from 101, and employee name 1 2 3 4 till 10. So that's how you can generate select. By using save method, you can generate 10 records. It's just dummy data, so we can perform all CRUD operations. So in the next video, we will see the like rest of the methods. Save is for inserting, for inserting records. Next video we will see the other operations. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.